Okay, we continue to tool menu and we have lots of tool here. Color picker, the shortcut is K. When you click any location in an image, you can pick the color of that location. This is X and Y coordination. You can access the color code in any format. In the setting and the tool, you can specify which format appear in here. For example, this color code used to website or any color code you can use. It's a very interesting tool. Close it. Other tool is cropping. As I said before, the button is here. You can click and drag and, for example, save as in any format that piece of the image that you crop. Save it. You can access of image here. Just crop. Close it. You can click and drag and change the dimension by click and dragging this handle. Other tool is page navigation. It's when we use a file that has a multi-page like PDFs, and as you can see, when we want to move to page of this PDF, we have to use page navigation. Click. You can use the P shortcut for that. It has 30 pages and you can move to them. As I mentioned before, these are images, not real PDF. That show you what's in PDF. Okay.
Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.
Hello there, I'm Hamid RT from TutorialCells. I'm electrical engineer and software instructor. I love teaching and learning. In this channel, we intend to produce free tutorials on softwares, games, and other sciences. But our main focus is on making tutorials for softwares. We are currently changing our policies to protect copyright law and respect the work of others. In the first step, we will teach only free software. Then, after purchasing commercial and official versions of the software and obtaining the permission from the software companies, we will record a tutorial for those softwares. So, we start with the free software that is free for everyone to use. Because of the strict rules of the companies and YouTube, even if we use trial version of commercial software, we will still face legal issues in future for monetizing videos on YouTube. So, stay tuned for our new tutorial with free
Friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.
Our goal in a TutorialCells group is that to create a tutorial of different softwares in our channel and websites. In first step, for completely free and in detail, we want to create a place for all tutorials that are categorized and complete in order. In general, the main goal is to create a great free educational channel and website and then earn money. After you have fully learned the software, you can buy our project and more advanced tutorial in our stores if you wish. The next step, we want to start a specific project with each software and place their file in our stores. For example, the jewelry design software or architectural, and many other fields. that is the file store. Next step, we want to introduce and teach all mobile application and mobile games. The final step, we want to introduce and playing and training all games, attractive physical games or computer games. In a general, we set a long-term and heavy plan for ourselves. Please support us so that we can continue this way.